In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money through mobile phone repairing business, and very fast. So first and foremost, this is a business which is profitable once you start it, and you can make money from it from scratch. I'm going to show you to make money from scratch. What you can do first, you have to know the basic settings about a phone, how the models of the phone, how they differ from each other, so that you can get the way how you can convince a customer or negotiate with a customer so that you can make money from it very fast without having complications. Sometimes it's very easy for like software. You have to connect with other people who are around you repairing phones for that which you don't know. Some can be repairing phones like software and others doing hardware. So on the hardware issue, what you don't know, you can connect to a colleague. So you have to be friendly and social with many people so that you can get how you can get solved very fast whenever you take what to do. First, you have to swap phones for higher profit. Here you can buy a phone at a cheaper price, then you sell it at a higher price. Like you can have a maze, and sometimes we just like when you're chilling you take some maze. But basically what I'm trying to tell you, you buy a phone when it's cracked like a screen, then you repair that screen and you buy it for on a cheaper price, then you sell it on a higher price, making a good profit on that phone. So that would help you on how you can make money very fast. Sometimes you buy a phone which is not powering on, but when it's not powering, you just like you repair simple things and do. Then you need an internet connection. For internet connection, if you're repairing phones, for what you don't know, you can check on Google. Google provides a lot of content, even on YouTube. Then you need a camera within your business so that you don't get like safety stuff, yet you want to make money and you have safety things like you're losing phones. That means you're not making profits. You need a computer, simple computer setup which can help you in flashing phones or checking on internet on how you can fix that issue when you're repairing. Sometimes these phones have different issues and they have different solutions. That's why you see people repair phones different ways. Then you need to learn basic ways of repairing phones, not like the advanced things like reboiling or like here connecting IOSP pins to flash the phone. You start with small, because we are trying to make money from scratch and with simple things on how you can make it. So don't go for fancy things or these technical things. You do slowly, small by small things, like to hard reset a phone. You can check on Google and see how you can hard reset a phone if someone had forgotten like a password. That one is for a basic phone repairer. For small phones, they're easily to be fixed. Like these button phones, like sometimes they have faulty of screens and charging systems and the speaker, which are very easy to fix without going to these advanced technical things. What you can do, the next thing, which is very simple and easy, you always be friendly to your friends. They help you out on doing such a kind of jobs where you're not like helped very fast, where the things are very hard for you. Then you need an internet connection to search where you don't know. Sometimes you can hire someone who can repair phones and learn from him if what you don't know. That would be a best option. You need an internet which will help you as well when you're doing this kind of business. When you hire someone to help you and do the job, that person will help you to learn many things step by step without having any complication and slowly. So hiring someone helps you. You pay some little money to that person and will be teaching you many things which you don't know, and you start making money right away from there. or if you connect me up, I can help you. My number is always on the bio to help you, those who are starting up this business, so that you can make money at a cheaper cost and you keep on making money and learn how to negotiate with a customer. It's a main thing. Learn how to negotiate with a customer, convince that person that you know what you're doing so that they can trust you. Firstly, you need another trust within your customers. If you don't have a trust, that means you cannot make money from this kind of a business. Mostly people don't trust these phone repairers as like before. They are never trusted. So the moment you're trusted, that means the customer will give you a trust on how you can make a business and you feel comfortable on that business, and next time that customer will come again. So learn negotiating skills, how to convince a customer and make sense, and have a good pricing rate. Though this job needs to ask for a good amount of money to make business, but you don't need to ask a lot of money, because I know you're giving a service which worth for that job, but still you need money. You need a relationship with the customer so that next time he gets another issue, he can come to you or she, so that you solve that problem. So making money is very easy with phone repairing. You can learn how to open a phone, how to fix for simple things, opening it, attaching a screen to it, putting screen guards on a phone. That helps you to make money very, very fast. By fixing simple things, helps you to make a living through that. For like, there is this issue of FRP. It's a simple thing, but people don't know how to do it. You can check on YouTube. There are videos which can help you on fixing this, like removing Google account within the phones. They help you on fixing those small issues on the speaker, repressing the battery. It's very easy. Just open the phone and fix the battery. Where you're not like comfortable with, check on this video. Will be more videos on how you can fix those phones. Then you need these simple tools. They are not costly, because you need a profit for first and foremost. So you buy like this alcohol. It's not expensive. You buy gum which fixes the screen, this brush for cleaning most of the parts. Sometimes someone can bring like a mobile phone which the speaker is not like sounding well, so you use that brush to brush the speaker, and it works very fast and works well for you, and you start from there. Then you need these tools, simple tools which you can use. There is a review on this channel where you can check out the tools to get started with phone repairing and charging systems. They are not costly, and a pair of scissors to help you out. And you have to buy these small phones which are spoiled whenever people are selling them in these batteries. You get a spare which you'll be repressing within the working phone. So they are spoiled. Sometimes it cannot be working the screen and someone tries to discard it. So you buy those phones to get the simple spare from those phones so that you can get started with it. Then you need a basic information on the software, and the microscope helps you to detect the faulty things within the phone. If the phone has a faulty, not powering on, such as small issues, they are the ones which people have been facing over and over, like simple settings, how to set a phone. Like someone comes, like your phone is not going into internet, so you just fix that. It's not a big issue. Then you need like this paste, helps you on fixing, like when you're cleaning or putting a small pot, using this helps you out. There is this screwdriver, it helps you on fixing and removing nails from the phone. So those tools, you really need them for simple setup and starting up this business. this cutter helps you as well. This tweezer for touching small things which you cannot handle and hold with your hands. You need a power supply. You need this power supply helps you to boost the battery of a phone very fast. Sometimes the customer can bring a phone like, my phone cannot power on, yet the battery had already drained totally. So you use that power supply to boost that battery so that it can power very fast and it works very well, and start making money from there. So then you need to start selling these mobile phone accessories for simple profit, though the profits are very small, but these accessories helps you to get money which you had invested. You make business for a good return and a quick return of your money. So when you put these more, they are at a cheaper price, you sell them at a good price. Though you're repairing phones, they help you to get more money very fast from this kind of mobile repairing. So guys, let's get hooked up with this business. You can make money from it very fast. And subscribe to this channel, like and share for more videos, and to boost this channel so that many people can get more content. So thank you guys for watching till this end. Wish you the best.